What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to allow everyone to upload to your Google Drive. So before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. What you want to do in order to allow this to happen, you need to create some kind of a folder or some kind of a file to be able to give access. The best way is to create a folder. So I'm going to create a new folder. So there's two ways. You can right click here and click a new folder, or you can click the new button on the upper left hand side and click a new. I'm going to name this folder everyone, right? And click and create. As you can see, I now have this folder everyone created, and it's fully empty. So let me go back to the folder. Now, in order to allow everyone to upload to this folder, you need to right click on it, go to share, and you want to click on share. Now, in order to allow this, you want to change the general access to anyone with this link. And once you click on this option here, you have the option to change what they can do. So you have viewer, but you want to change this to edit. And as you can see, it says organize, add, and edit files. So you can simply go ahead and click and give them the edit option, and then click on done. Now, once you go ahead and give anyone access to this folder with this link, if you copy it, guys, then they can add to this folder. And I'm going to show you an example. So I'm going to open up a different account here with my Google. Let me go ahead and open up this folder here. So if I click and press that link to this folder here, you will see that I have access to this folder. And I'm going to just simply drag something. As you can see, it's a different account here, as you can see in the upper right hand side. And I'm going to simply find something on my computer. So I'm going to minimize this for a moment. And here is this Excel file here that I have, right? I'm going to go ahead and show you how I can easily upload to that folder. So in order to upload, I'm going to click on new. I'm going to click on upload file, and I'm going to choose that file on my desktop, which is the one here, book. And I'm going to click on this file, open, and as you can see, it's uploaded, and it's uploaded to this folder. So easy, right? So you can see that this is the folder. Now if I go back to the next account, guys, which is the one that I created it with, you will see when I open up this everyone folder, there's the file, and it was uploaded by that account. As you can see, the email address shown there. And that's it. If you want to allow anyone or everyone to upload to your Google Drive, you have to create a folder and give them the specific access, or give that folder a certain access so that people can do it, and anyone with the link will be able to upload to that folder. So, and that's it. It's very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.